just found my new favorite filming spot, guys. Welcome back to another video. So this is cool. It's my shower curtains. I just need to get like a backdrop thing that those photographers have. Just have different backdrops. Makes it so easy and fun to film because of an open space in the bathroom. But channeling my inner Shane Dawson with the robe. But honestly, I've been loving my robe for like years since my friend got this for me last year. I've just been living in it whenever it's winter time. And I saw some Versace robes on Instagram that their new campaign got released, and I was like, what? I want to get one in the future. But yeah, first thing I want to haul is like my little Moldavite necklace. I have to put a close-up, guys, but this was my little treat to myself, some self-love in this new Chinese New Year, as well as Valentine's Day, so I got myself that. Loving my British shirt too. And I guess I'm gonna haul a gift that I got my friend. I got so many things, guys, like crystals, metaphysical stuff, witchy things, all the good stuff from like Etsy, online gifts. It's so fun. So for my friend Jackie, I got her some stuff. I actually got more things for my friends, but it didn't come in the mail, so I'm probably gonna have to dispute my money back. But I got this gold necklace that is an Angel Aura quartz, and on the back it's got like this cool, like almost like a runic symbol. It looks magical. So it's this Aura quartz necklace. Totally gonna have to film close-ups for you guys because you can't see. And then a big fat thing of sea salt because natural magical detoxifier. And a not citrine. I have too much citrine. I mean a selenite sphere that I got for her too. So all good vibes. And it's funny because that necklace I got her has those magical swirly symbols. And then this one with like calcite ingrown in the selenite has like a swirl in there too. You guys can't see it because I'm a washed out, you know what? Me and my lighting's gotta look good, you know. I'm so happy to finally have a ring light. I feel so blessed. It took me like 6-7 years on YouTube to have like my second job to buy me a ring light. Like really, Eric, you should have bought one a long time ago. But anyways, got those things for my friend. Got so much stuff, guys. I guess since it's on the friend kind of wagon, but I wonder where this other thing went. Oh, okay, here we go. So I got this for my friend Katie. It's a little citrine heart, so it's all the good vibes. Really beautiful, and it's like a druzy, so you guys can see all of the crystal. It's so beautiful. Hi Maleficent. My cat's all chilling in here too. So this stone's really beautiful, but it's totally a heat treated one now that I saw it in person. Got this from Wild and Free people. And oh my god, I have stuff to haul that I bought myself in the other room still. In my room. Oh, we'll have to grab it at the end. So I got that. And then I got this for my mom, a rose quartz heart. Can you guys see it? It's so beautiful. I love these crystals. Such good vibes, guys. Good energy. And yeah, I got her a rose quartz heart. And then I guess I'll just show all the crystals. Might as well because I'm on a crystal thing. I got this from Sage Goddess. Oh my god, guys, it's so huge. The Shiva Lingam is the size of my head. It is massive. I was just so shocked at the price. It was so good, guys. I had to get it. And Shiva's been wanting me to get one of these stones to help me activate my Kundalini, open up all my S, and be more in tune. So I got this Shiva. It's a beautiful holy stone in a river in one of those, like, I forget if it's India, not Tibet, but that kind of area, you know? Too much stuff I learned. And with this from Sage Goddess, oh my god, what am I dropping? Dropping stuff. I don't know if I ever hopped this, guys, but it's my little Coach pouch too. But with this stone that I got, it was such a good deal from Sage Goddess. She also gave me a perfume, and this one is the Immortal perfume. I think this stone's to attract your soulmate too, so can use it for a lot of things. And since I did an order with her, I got a free gift, and it was her Heart Chakra blend. Like essential oil. She calls them perfume with like essential oil, so haven't put mine on yet today. I totally have to put this on because I've been needing me some self-love heart chakra medicine, and I'm so happy. It's so cool that she was doing those like days where you buy something you get a free gift. So I had to get this Shiva stone because it was so big and such a good deal. It was like, I think it's like $69, and it came with the perfume. I'm like, you can't beat that compared to competitors. And I think I bought something else in the fragrance, guys. I got a doTERRA lavender oil from a local shop, and it was so cool. I didn't even know that they sold essential oil, so I got me a lavender roll-on ball, and it's nice because this oil is so expensive, and I got it for such a good deal. I would anoint like my third eye, and then my crown chakra in the back, but I just filmed my Cake My Face Like a Pro Dana Mojo edition video, and don't want to be too oily for you guys, you know? So I went ahead and got that. Let me like low-key move this, it's so heavy. But the energy in that stone, guys, is just so like good. Like, to be honest with you, I didn't want it because it looks ugly. It's not my vibe, not my theme, you know? But it's just like such beautiful, peaceful energy. It's such a cool, soothing stone. It's like cool and just calm and just like holy. I love it so much. And going on with the crystals from Wild and Free People and then some other shops online, I got this smoky quartz. It's a Lemurian smoky quartz. It's so beautiful. I love it. Oh, and then I have more stuff from Sage Goddess. I actually think I showed this before. I got the smoky quartz a while ago. And then my friend Katie got me the smoky quartz too. So I was really excited to be gifted a piece of smoky. Wanted her to buy the big one, but I don't want to be mean and be like, buy me the biggest stone, you know? And I got me this charka necklace with this green stone to like help with the heart charka. Sadly, one of the stones was broken when I received it, and I had to glue it back on. And then when I was cleansing it out under the moonlight, the same stone actually popped off. So too bad. Gonna use this like in my like green altar. And then I was gifted, because I did another order from Sage Goddess a while ago, I got a free gift of this amethyst necklace. And it's really cool because to me it looks like a Super 7. I see other minerals in there, so I think it's a Super 7. So more crystals, more goodies. I love filming these videos with you guys, it's so much fun. And then from my work, like our Christmas gift exchange, I got this diffuser. I love it so much because I've been wanting a diffuser but just haven't like bought one because I've been getting so many crystals. Crystals my vibe. But this is nice. It's more like safe if you guys want to actually like cleanse your space and have the good vibes. You can cleanse with the element of water and air and the herb that you're using. So I love this diffuser, and it's cool because I really loved, you know, that teal blue. I had a whole theme in a room of teal blue. I stopped it, but still love the color, you know? And then going on with more crystals. I was also gifted some other stuff, guys, that's a little tinier that I'm not going to show. But, oh, there's actually stuff in there I want to show too. I have to go back later and get more crystals to show you. There's two things that I was showing. The other stuff's more tiny. But this is some green tourmaline my friend got me. And then I have some moldavite pieces that I have too. I'm totally feeling like Kundalini in my back right now, guys. I've been feeling it a lot recently. Ooh, I feel the energy. It's like stuck like right here, but on my back. Its energy's rising. And then this heart crystal was actually a gift for my mom that I bought, but I knew it was probably meant for me because of all the signs in the crystal and what I'm feeling, but I just ignored it. I'm like, I don't care. I'm just going to get this for my mom because I want to get her a gift. And then she ended up gifting it back to me because she just saw like my initial in there, my guardian animal, and just so many things that resonate with me. So I was happy to be gifted this back. I feel so blessed. I love it. It's like my heart glass. It's so beautiful. And then I also got me a little smaller clear quartz heart too, and this one's cool because when you guys look in it, it says like Wi-Fi if you look right, and I'm like, what? It says Wi-Fi? Have to put this by the Wi-Fi box, and there's a rainbow in it. All the good vibes in my clear quartz. And some selenite. I don't think I ever hauled this heart, but I got it a while ago. The selenite heart. Then I got me little teeny ones. I can make a crystal grid if I wanted. Love selenite, my favorite mineral, self-cleansing, good vibes, charges your other crystals. And then this bracelet I made, guys. I bought 2 moldavite beads. I thought I bought 2 moldavite bracelets, but it ended up being 2 beads. And I paid so much money, so it was sad. But at least I put them on a bracelet, so I still am going to get my moldavite properties. Should probably wear that. And then I made my smoky quartz bracelet or beads into a bracelet now, guys, if you saw my other video. And then I got these tarot cards from Sage Goddess 2, the White Rider deck, iconic. Like, first tarot cards in Magic, gotta have these. Every witch's iconic staple piece, but don't always need them, but it's nice just to have them for fun and the aesthetic and doing more magic. And getting in tune with different energy of the cards. I haven't found the exact deck I want, guys. In the future, I'm gonna have to custom make my own deck that fully resonates with my soul, but I got this moon one because like goddess next in the moon to try to like bring in that vibe that I want. And it's not fully what I envision and feel that I need in my soul, but it'll do the trick for a little bit. It's nice. It's got the lunar new moon energy. There are some very beautiful graphics on these cards, so I love them a lot. And then I got a bunch of like books on magic, and then we got the like 3D, more materialism, bougie stuff over there. So I got this little book of cat magic, spells, and charms, so I could connect more with my cat Maleficent. Maleficent! She was in here earlier, but I didn't show her. I want to show Come to Me. But I want to read this. I haven't had a chance to yet, so I can connect with her more, and it'll be fun. Every witch needs to like connect with their familiar, and it's funny because the picture of the cat is literally what my cat looks like. It has green eyes too. It's crazy. Sent to me the day I embraced my magic and was going to start posting witchy photos on my Instagram. Crazy. And then I was guided to get these books, guys. I honestly maybe didn't need to get all of these, but I did. So this one is The Archangels of Magic, Rituals for Prosperity, Healing, Love, Wisdom, Divination, and Success by Damon Brand. So I got this book. I barely started reading it because I read all of these other books from him already. So this one, I just started. I haven't really got to finish it yet. And let me know if you guys want to see books I recommend down in the description box down, or comment section down below, because I'd love to make a video in the future. I feel like I have books, but I still want to get more, do a lot more magic, more learning, more practice, and then I want to do videos about what I recommend in the future. So I also got The Greater Words of Power and Secrets, The Cause of Archangel Magic by Damon Brand. So I got this one, and then I'm going to recommend which books you guys should get out of all of these if you were to get one. This one is The Words of Power, so this one is the first one, and that one was The Greater Words of Power. And this one is The 72 Archangels of Magic. So honestly, if you guys were to get one of these, I forget this one. I think these two are the same. But you know what? I think I like the second book better, so The Greater Words of Power. I think if you got this one, you're set. You don't need the other book. And then, out of the two Archangel books, honestly, I don't know, because I just started reading them. But I think if you guys are on a budget, like me, I shouldn't have bought all of them, but just get, like, this book, The 72 Archangels of Magic. And then, if you want to do more magic on your own, but it's still calling on the Archangels, you can get this book too, The Greater Words of Power. First two, I think, is good that you guys can get. And then the third one, I don't know, because I haven't got to fully read it yet. I barely read, like, 20 pages, so... all my magical books on Archangel Magic, I wish I could show you some pages in there, but he said it's copyright and don't share it because you have to pay for the work and all the time, years, and everything that went into gathering that magic from those occult lists. They put in centuries, or I don't think centuries, but you know what I mean. They got a lot of old grimoires and all these magical things, and it took them so long to like get that format created that works best, and gotta pay for it, but it's some neat stuff. I honestly think some of the magic already worked for me, guys, but that's a whole nother video I need to do. I don't want to impede on the haul too much and be annoying. But I also got this pouch from Coach. It's like a Burberry looking bag. I love this neon color. It's funny, it reminds me of that like a Iggy Azalea. She wore like an outfit in this, I think, in a music video. So I really like this, and if you guys want to see that video, I'm gonna post a video of me like how I caked my face like Canon Mojo. My new makeup routine to help me cover these acne scars, because I'm just over my acne in this lifetime. I've been doing all my stuff. I repented. I'm reincarnated. I want my smooth skin back. So finally, most of the acne is gone. It's just craters that I'm covering up. So check out that video. And then I got me some work shirts, and I honestly want to buy more of these just for everyday wear, because these graphic shirts are fun, guys. But I really don't wear them on a day-to-day basis, because I wear like my necklace I want it to show, or I want my big stone or cross to show. So I just like wearing a classic like solid color black, gray, or white shirt so my statement necklace can show good, and black is a great protection color. So I bought like I think 3 of these long sleeve black sweaters for my work and everyday wear too. And then I was sad because I thought this would be cool for like a fall cozy picture, and it looked nice in the store, but once I put it on at home, like putting it up to me here might look good, but when I wear this sweater, excuse me guys, I look so ugly, it doesn't look good, so I'm just wearing it around home to be warm, but this sweater doesn't look the best on me. So I got that. And then I got me these new pair of Versace sunglasses because you gotta be bougie, you know. So these are like more subtle and they're pretty cool. So I can't wait when the weather gets better again, guys. I can wear these and get some fun pictures. You can kind of see the Versace right there and right here. I love these sunglasses so much. Feel so blessed to have been able to get those. And then I got me these Herkimer diamonds. I actually got another bag. These ones have more of like a citrine hue to them. So I wonder if there's like a citrine mineral on these Herkimer diamonds. And then I got another little baggie this size that's just solid clear ones. So I made a health grid for my family and myself. And then this one is going to be for the prosperity corner of our home. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm not do close-up shots, but they're so beautiful. And I think the last thing, until I go ahead and grab those crystals to show you guys, I might just show it with my hand at the end of the video, is this Chanel blanket. Oh my god, it's so smooth and soft. I love it so much. But my damn cat, her nails are sharp and she always does this thing. And she like pulls out like all the, can you guys see this? What is it called? The threading? Good, my camera washes it out so you can't see all the imperfections on my blanket because of my cat. But I have this on my bed now. It's like so comfortable, guys. It's this Chanel blanket. Can you guys see it? Is it upside down? Oh, it's upside down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but can you? And it says Chanel at the bottom, but it's a really nice soft blanket. My cat just kind of messed it up. And you guys can probably hear the rain because I had my window open when I was doing my other video so I could get some fresh air. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It's almost like my big spiritual, magical, witchy hauls that I do with a little bit of luxury in it, because in this lifetime you have to enjoy this life to the fullest. You're only gonna live this lifetime once, then you're gonna be reincarnated, or God knows what you're gonna do, so just enjoy it, have fun. Be practical too, try to save your money, but always splurge a little bit and give yourself some self-love, because you honestly do deserve it. And the spiritual things are always good, guys. Like, I love infusing my room and home with all these crystals. Just more good energy, good vibes, extra layers of protection, and it just enhances your intuition and your power. Honestly, you don't need all of them, but the more you have, it just brings in more good vibes and enhances everything. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul video. Hi, Maleficent! Oh, my cat wants to run away. Do you want to say hi to my YouTube? Okay, guys, this was the other crystal I got from Wild and Free People. It's this beautiful clear quartz generator, so I can make a beautiful crystal grid. And that's what I got from her. And then I got this from my friend. There you go, you guys can see it a little better, but it's like this green crystal skull, all the good vibes for my green altar. I'd love it to be like a necklace too, that would be so cool. So these are the other two crystals that I got, guys. This is my cat Maleficent, guys. She didn't really want to be in the video, but she made a little appearance. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, and what am I going to do? Bless you guys. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Oh, this robe is so comfy. Okay, we gotta do a thumbnail, guys. We gotta do something cute, something bougie, you know.